One common question that arises when you're reading a Mahabharata story is that, how did Gandhari give birth to 101 kids, 100 male and then one female? They are the total 101 Kauravas. Um, she didn't actually give birth to 101 kids. The actual story is she did some kind of service to Vyasa Maharshi, and then Vyasa Maharshi gave her a boon saying that you will bear 100 sons and one daughter. So as the time went by, when she eventually conceived, but she bore that fetus for 2 years, and then still she didn't get a she didn't had a delivery. So then she kind of felt some pain, and then hit her stomach, and then a mass of flesh came out, and she thought of throwing it away because it's not a kid, right? So then that time Vasumersi appeared again, came to the palace, and then he basically sprinkled some cold water on the flesh, and that got divided into 101 parts, 101 parts. So then he asked people to get 101 parts, that clay parts, and then filled all the parts with a ghee, that is called clarified butter, and then he put each piece in one of those parts, and then told the people to safeguard those parts, and then to break them at certain point of time, maybe 9 months or something like that. They need to safeguard those parts, and then at the end of 9 months they need to break it. So that's the way they did it, and then that's how the Kauravas were born. But what could be, is it possible, what could be the possible reason for this episode? So my guess is that, when she Gandhari, when she gave birth to a mass of flesh, that possibly a piece, a lump of stem cells. We are now hearing a lot about stem cells, right? So stem cells are the basic cell that could turn into any form of the body. So when she gave birth to a piece of stem cells, that got divided into 101 parts, and then each piece of stem cell, they put it in the a clay pot which was filled with clarified butter. So that eventually turned into human body after probably 9 months. So that is my close to scientific explanation of what could have happened for the cause of birth of Kauravas. Let me know what you think of.